Tired of manually typing numbers when you could be clicking your way to efficiency? Today, we're diving into a fantastic Excel trick that will revolutionize how you handle numerical input, adding those handy increase and decrease arrows, also known as spinner buttons, directly into your spreadsheets. First things first, we need to make sure the Developer tab is visible. If you don't see it, just go to File, then Options, and in the Excel Options window, select Customize ribbon on the right-hand side. Under Main tabs, check the box next to Developer and click OK. Now, with the Developer tab active, click on Insert. You'll see a section called Form Controls. Find the little box with up and down arrows. That's our spinner button. Click on it. Your cursor will change to a crosshair now. Click and drag on your spreadsheet where you want to place the spinner button. Position it nicely next to the cell where you want to control the numbers. Great! Now we need to link this spinner to a cell. Right-click on the spinner button you just placed and choose Format Control. In the Format Control dialog box, go to the Control tab for the cell link, click the arrow to the right and then click on the empty cell directly adjacent to where you'll put your numbers. This tells the spinner which cell to update. Next, set your minimum value and maximum value to define the range for your numbers. For incremental change, enter how much you want the number to increase or decrease with each click. Click OK to apply these settings. Now, the magic happens. Type a starting number into the linked cell. You can then use the up and down arrows of the spinner to effortlessly increase or decrease that number. It's that simple. This is a fantastic way to make your spreadsheets more interactive and user-friendly, especially for data entry or when you need to adjust values frequently. Try it out and see how much time you save.